Traffic was slow on I-84 due to snow or blizzard, bad road conditions, and inconsistent visibility. SUV decided to overtake and ended up losing control. Car spun, went off the highway and onto the ramp, then proceeded to go off-road again and hit the tree line at slow speed. Figure guy would be okay, but he or she might need a new bumper. Please be careful when driving under inclement weather and be considerate toward others on the road. My mother was on her way to church when this happened. She later called me so we could save the video from the dash cam. Bad day for my FedEx driver. The average Tuesday morning commute on the Canadian roads. The time on dashcam is wrong. It happened around 7:45 a.m. Headed from west to east. A little freezing rain and snow. Car accident Sterling Heights, Michigan. On March 26, 2023, during a snowstorm on Interstate 15 in Salt Lake City, Utah, a FedEx driver was involved in an accident. The poor lady on the right was struck by a thoughtless driver who was traveling too fast and following too closely for the snowy conditions. The scene serves as a reminder of how dangerous speeding can be during winter weather.
I'm going only 40. I'm moving on to I don't mind going around people. brakes.
Now they can. They're hitting the brakes all over.
Yeah, there's another accident up here. I can see flashing lights. Yeah, this guy's gonna hit somebody. No, he missed him.
Go hard about it.
He's
Go
gonna get that guy
fast.
though. See? Like you said, going way too fast, huh?
That poor car, he wasn't doing anything.
Driving home from work with about 6 centimeters of snow on the ground. People please shoulder check and merge at speed before switching lanes. This white car already had damage to the driver's side door from a previous accident, likely from not shoulder checking. Some folks never learn.
Christ.
This was taken in Surrey, British Columbia, Canada. The hill had not been salted or plowed. There was heavy snow and ice on the road. Almost every vehicle in the video is stuck or sliding. My vehicle is a Honda Carvi with 4WD and snow tires. That helped me stay in control going down the hill. The car in front of me wasn't as lucky. Once it stopped, it began sliding backward down the hill. The driver had no control. The car spun and crashed into a pileup of about 7 vehicles. I slipped on some ice and rear-ended a truck. Grand Island, me. Car accident. Summer tires and snow are not a good friends. My wife and I were driving across South Dakota. We got caught in freezing rain that turned to snow, with high winds. We took a short detour into Sturgis to avoid a backup on I-90. Winds over 60 miles per hour had overturned a fifth-wheel camper. A strong crosswind hit our car. It pushed us sideways across the icy highway. I resisted the urge to overcorrect or slam the brakes, but the wind kept pushing until we slid into the ditch.